Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and welcome to our channel Bib's Life and the US. Good morning America. Good evening in the Philippines. Or trust guy. Because today is trust. Look at the snake guy. That is the baby snake 4 years ago and now still. Oh my goodness. Nag-hide ka pala dyan, ha? So that's difficult to stick your hands in the leaves, guys. Look. You see? Her eyes. I don't know if you see, guys. Huh? That? Yeah. Nagsambitin siya, guys. My husband told me don't disturb. I think they changed her, guys. After 4 years, guys, ayan na naman. Lumabas na naman siya. If I'm not mistaken, guys, that is the snake 4 years ago. I saw that area to snake. They changed her, guys. Her skin. I don't kill that. Look, see. Manggukod man ang guro kasi itim kaya, guys. So scary. Update, guys, plan go outside. April, ngayon, guys? April 20. This side, guys, first ba to sa sinyo, namulak na siya. I'm excited this guy, the big flower. Tubo na. I think the snake disappeared. Where? Wala na siya, guys. Sana kaya yung ako. Wala na, guys. Pumasok na siguro siya doon. Wala na. Wala na. Tapos na siyang mag-sunbathing. Yan yung taro, guys. Pumalik ulit yung taro. So that's why don't stick your hand in the leaves, guys. Look at that. Yung tubo ulit. Magiging walo na siya yan. Sweet potato yan, guys. Ang ating kasi bumalik ulit. Just be careful, guys, kasi ito ilipat ko to, guys. Ang huli pa. May bunga na siya, guys, oh. Hopefully mamunga ng madami. Lipat ko yan, guys. Need to see the snake again. This still there. Still there, guys. Ayun. Mag-sunbathing siya ulit. Ayun. Ayun, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Yun, nagsambitin ulit, guys. Paano ako makadilig dyan? Nandiyan na naman siya nagsunbathing. Paano ako makadilig ngayon dyan? Hindi ko madiligan yung halaman ko ngayon. Nagsambiting na naman siya diyan. Mamaya na ako magdilig dyan, guys. Kasi baka mamaya habulin ako eh. Hindi, nagsambiting na ito siya diyan, guys. Kaya ang ulo. Kahalaglag, guys. Tingnan natin yung ulo niya gayon. Tanaw. Na nagsambiting man na siya gayon. Strong na ba? Not sure. Nagsambiting na po siya gayon. Tanaw ang ulo. Ay, ambot na lang giding check natin yung snake guy. If is still not there, we pour water. But if it's still not there, nothing na. Ayaw din pala niya ng sobrang init ng panahon. Wala na siya guys eh. Yeah. Wala na siya guys. Kasi alauna na. Hoy, huwag mong kainin yan. Oh my goodness. Look at that guys. I don't know, they eat something. Hoy. Huwag mo kainin yan kasi namulaklak na yan, oh. Hi guys, good morning. April 23 today, guys. And pouring water to our plant, guys. Every day we pour water to my plant. And look at my sinya, guys. So beautiful na. A flower na siya. And of course, i-check natin yung ano, guys. Yung snake guy, hopefully it's not there, so that's why we pour water in that area. Let's go. This is our neighborhood guy. The house is like this trailer, and our solar guy is working in the night. Our marigold or sinya over here is still not flower because this is the second method. And now we need to check over here, guys. Hopefully the snake is not there. The snake is still over there and it's not there. So they hang out over there. Maybe tomorrow because every other day. I don't know. Let's check over here. And so very happy our look at that, our sweet potato is come back, oh. Going bigger na. Reason why we put leave over right close to the house, so that's why the squirrel and the wild cat is not digging the hole and enter inside. Over here, oh, garlic onion is fine. And look, going bigger na. Oh. Wow, look at that. We have pepper na guys, and tomatoes. And this man hulihak guys, still not flowering. I'm waiting that. We need to come back guys. Nandoon na siya, lumabas na naman. Akala ko wala na siya, pero lumabas. Nung bumalik ako, Diyan siya. Na, to ang ulo. Kasi ang ulo, higawas na naman. Look at that. Na. Higawas na naman siya, guys. Tanawa. Kita ba niyo, guys? Where is that? Na. Yan. Oh my. Check natin again, guys. I'm done pouring water to our plant. Today is April 23. D3 na nagsambiting yung snake doon. Ayan, guys. Puting taasa sa ulo. Ayun, oh. I'm hiding over there. Tanaw. Tanaw. Puting taasa sa iyong ulo, guys. Nagsambiting. Asan man to? Who is that? Yan. Na, oh, ting oklo. Kita na.